I love the Expedition Jogger from Baby Trend because we can easily navigate the town while walking or jogging. Shown here in a generic black fashion, the Expedition Jogger is available in stores and online in many on-trend fashions for you to choose from. If you're out for a jog, don't forget to lock the front swivel wheel. This swivel wheel also makes it easy to maneuver when we decide to slow down and enjoy a nice walk. When we come to a stop, this jogger has a trigger fold and quick-release rear wheels for compact travel from place to place. The jogger features a swing-away child tray with 2 cup holders that accepts any Baby Trend infant car seat to make a travel system. There's a convenient parent tray with 2 cup holders and a covered storage compartment so I can store my phone, water, and everything I need within easy reach. The Expedition Jogger is the best option when it comes to my child's comfort and safety. It has a 5-point harness, so it provides a snug fit, and a tether strap, so it's always at arm's length. It also features a multi-position reclining seat that means my child can relax and be comfortable as I get some exercise or run errands. Another great feature is the ratcheting shade canopy with a peekaboo window to see my child and feel good knowing that my child is blocked from sun and elements. The Expedition Jogging Stroller from Baby Trend is the best on the market when it comes to safety, comfort, and fun features. Best of all, it's affordable.